Hey there, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into 20 self-improvement tricks that can help you elevate your life and reach your goals. Whether you're looking to boost your productivity, enhance your mindset, or simply feel better about yourself, these tips are designed to inspire and empower you. Let's get started. First up, set clear goals. It's essential to know what you want to achieve. Break your goals down into smaller, manageable steps. This makes them less overwhelming and gives you a clear path to follow. Next, consider creating a morning routine. How you start your day can set the tone for everything that follows. Incorporate activities that energize you, like stretching, journaling, or enjoying a healthy breakfast. This can help you feel more focused and ready to tackle the day. Another powerful trick is to practice gratitude. Take a moment each day to reflect on what you're thankful for. This simple act can shift your mindset, helping you appreciate the positives in your life, even during challenging times. Let's talk about mindfulness. Engaging in mindfulness practices, such as meditation or deep breathing exercises, can help reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Just a few minutes a day can make a significant difference. Reading regularly is another fantastic way to improve yourself. Whether it's fiction, non-fiction, or self-help books, reading expands your knowledge and stimulates your imagination. Aim for at least a few pages a day to cultivate this habit. Don't underestimate the power of exercise. Physical activity not only boosts your mood, but also enhances your energy levels and productivity. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's dancing, jogging, or yoga, and make it a regular part of your routine. Next, consider surrounding yourself with positive influences. The people you spend time with can significantly impact your mindset and motivation. Seek out those who inspire you and encourage your growth. Limiting screen time is also crucial. While technology is a great tool, excessive use can lead to distractions and anxiety. Set boundaries for your screen time to create more space for meaningful activities. Another effective trick is to learn something new. Challenge yourself to pick up a new skill or hobby. This not only keeps your mind sharp, but also boosts your confidence as you master new things. Let's not forget about self-reflection. Take time to evaluate your thoughts and actions regularly. Journaling can be a great way to process your experiences and identify areas for improvement. Decluttering your space can have a profound effect on your mental clarity. A tidy environment can lead to a clearer mind, so take some time to organize your surroundings. Next, practice active listening. When engaging with others, focus on truly hearing what they have to say. This builds stronger relationships and enhances your communication skills. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Instead of fearing mistakes, view them as stepping stones to success. Each setback can teach you valuable lessons that contribute to your growth. Another important trick is to prioritize self-care. Make time for activities that nourish your body and soul, whether it's a relaxing bath, a walk in nature, or simply enjoying your favorite hobby. Consider setting boundaries in your personal and professional life. Knowing when to say no can protect your time and energy, allowing you to focus on what truly matters to you. Visualizing your success can be a powerful motivator. Spend a few moments each day imagining yourself achieving your goals. This practice can enhance your confidence and commitment to your aspirations. Don't forget to celebrate your achievements no matter how small. Acknowledging your progress reinforces positive behavior and keeps you motivated on your journey. Networking is another valuable tool. Building connections with others in your field can open doors to new opportunities and provide support as you pursue your goals. Lastly, remember to stay curious. Cultivating a mindset of curiosity encourages lifelong learning and growth. Ask questions, seek new experiences, and never stop exploring. Thank you for joining me today. I hope these self-improvement tricks inspire you to take action and make positive changes in your life. If you found this video helpful, please consider following or subscribing for more content like this. Remember, every small step counts on your journey to becoming the best version of yourself.